Describe the structure and reproduction in which area. Reproduction in which area has a branch filamentous coinetic multinucleate non-separated. A structure attached to a substrate by rhizoids with reserve food stored as oils. It reproduces asexually by fragmentation. Multiflagellated zoospore, planospores or echinates sexually via ogamy and specialized oogynia. Specialized containing a single egg. Antheridia producing multiple anthrozoids. Structure: plant body, a branch filamentous, coinetic multiflagellate, H-shaphate structure that resembles a large divide cells as attachment a network of colorless branch rhizoid anchors to the thallus to the substrate. To the phallus to the substrate. Internal structure: leg across wall cross of injured areas. When reproductive organs are found. It has a thin cellulose and pectins. A large vacuoles. इसके बाद फिर लार्ज vacuoles. इसके बाद बताते हैं कैसे हैं. लास्ट में कैसे लास्ट में थे ना reserve food stored in the form of oil droplets. So visible cables reproduction, vegetative reproduction, fragmentations. The thallus fragments, smaller fragments. The thallus smaller fragments. The thallus smaller fragments. The thallus smaller fragments divide into the cells. Divide into a new individuals. Coinetic and divide into a new individual. इसके बाद फिर क्या से हैं asexual reproductions. Zoospores हले ना asexual reproductions zoospore. Asexual reproductions zoospore hale ना. Aquatic species from large multinucleate compound zoospore and coinozospores. Club-shaped spongia. Club-shaped spongia हले ना which are released from the unfavorable conditions. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं इसे प्लेनोस्पोर्स हले ना. प्लेनोस्पोर्स बता दे कैसे हले. Planospores, the terrestrials, one terrestrial reproduce non-motile planospores when often flooded. ठीक. उसके बाद जो मतलब कैसे है echinates when favorable conditions. When favorable conditions हम पहले रुक बचे रहे. When favorable conditions which are phased to fertilize to accumulate and with accumulate and with hypnospores to germinate produced a new zoospore. Produced within new produced है थिन. इसके बाद फिर कैसे थिन हले sexual reproduction कैसे हले. Ogamous are meaning are ओगेमस आर मीनिंग आर द डिस्टिंक्ट मेल और फीमेल सेक्स organs. इसके बाद organs है ना ओजेनिया. The female organs are typically are a wide or a structure containing a single large and uninucleate egg and antheridia, and the ozonia antheridia. The antheridia are the male organ that the male organ that the male organ that the male organ that the particular structure contains a small contain a small anthrozoids, a small contain a small anthrozoids egg. ठीक. इसके बाद एंथ्रोजोइड्स स्पर्म. ठीक ना, वो एग है ना स्पर्म. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं प्रोसेस. एन एंथ्रोडियम एंड ओजोनियम. An antheridium and ozoonium develop to each other on same filament ethologic or the different filament antheridia. Means antheridia develop to an ozoonium develop to antheridia, swim to ozonium, and when anthrozoids are develops into a ozonia. फिर कैसे लास्ट में ओस्पर्म. The zygote develop a thick walled become an oospores when unfavorable conditions, and to germinate to a difold, to a haploid difolds when favorable conditions against. Answer complete.